guys, it's your girl back with another video. And I have 3 special guests here. So we're gonna start with Ronan. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna start with Ethan. Say hi.
Hello.
And we're gonna start with the other one. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
It's me. What do you mean the other one?
You're the other one.
Yeah, so something
Anyways,
scary.
no,
Don't
okay.
tell me my name.
So Mayan.
Yeah.
So we have a story to tell y'all that happened on December 31st, 2018.
Yep.
Which is yesterday. So let's explain here.
Yeah, it was pretty scary.
So Ronan's mom took us to the movies.
To watch Spider-Verse.
And it was, let's see, with who? With Hui?
Yeah.
Jaden,
Vivi,
you, me,
Ronan,
Ethan.
All of us kids
Yeah.
in here.
Except for
Mark.
and
Yeah. Yeah. His name is
and the
Mark.
others' mom.
Yeah,
And the
they're
others.
pretty lucky that they didn't come.
Yeah. So like we were watching it. It
Stop
was
jumping on
kind of late, I guess.
It was pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was pretty good.
And after the movie, then
Tell y'all like what happened like after when you guys had to
yeah.
leave.
So
like,
and then I threw my trash away, and for some reason, employees were like running.
Yeah.
And screaming like run, run, run
To the
and
exit.
I was pretty confused because they were like running like really fast, like
And then-
to the exit area.
For me, when I
hold up. And then
Yeah.
Sasha and I were running with Rona's mom
Yeah, I saw everybody run out except for me and Mayan.
for me, I went out. And then 2 employees came screaming.
You ran out with freaking Hui and Jaden and Vivi.
Yeah. And they were screaming gun. And then I ran out of them.
Yeah.
To the back
The only
room.
scary thing is I was left alone with Mayan.
You should
And
have
then-
ran.
Yeah, you should have ran. Instead, you were like, "Oh, what happened?"
I'm curious.
Oh, what?
I want to see the shooter.
Oh, what's happening? I want to
So
see
then
the shooter.
afterwards, I told the employee what was going on, and then they were saying, we're trying to find out. So and then I peeked out a little bit, and I saw a man acting a little bit rude. So and then afterwards, like he was like, get out!
Whoa!
Oh, he said go! He said go away! Like, go away! And then afterwards, then he went out the exit area.
And then Ronnie's mom.
And then one of the employees had to said that where are your parents?
And then so they called.
I
his mom.
remember my mom's number, so one of the employees dialed it. And
So
then,
that's good, cause you remember your parents' number.
yep.
I don't really remember my
Yeah. So then after that,
And then well.
then my mom picked me up,
yeah, and then we all.
and then the police, and then
No. And we all met up like.
yeah, like
Me, Jaden, Vivi,
Yeah.
and Ethan were.
Vivi was. I met.
Where were you guys? Where were you guys?
And Kimberly was pretty scared.
Yeah, I was scared.
I was going on some street with the employees, and then they said, "Are you okay going alone?" And then he said yes, and then they kind of ran off. And they kind of did.
Yes, I'm okay going alone. You know?
And then
Yeah. So and then afterwards, we all met up.
Yeah. And
then
then
my mom called the police.
and
Then
then
the police checked on the man, and turns out that
wait, no. So when we were walking back to the car, all you hear is sirens like everywhere, like
yeah, there was a lot of police.
yeah. And then
I was
once we got back to the house, we found out that the man got arrested and the gun was fake. Pretty much.
The life lesson here is not to bring fake guns to places where you know you will get caught.
Yes, good job. You learned your lesson.
I didn't.
Even you did. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe and comment down below. And
Dislike.
No.
don't listen to Ethan. Thank you.
Ignore it,
Bye.
ignore
Ignore.
it.
Bye.